Hi, in this video we will see how we can enter formulas in non-adjacent cells together. Let's get started. So here we are seeing on Excel report, and this is the product selling report of two products. Estate column represents the name of the estate, and January to December, these are the months. All the numeric values represents the total quantity of each product sold each estate for each month. We need to calculate the total number of products which are sold in each month. There is a button that is called auto sum. We can use auto sum to calculate each column total sum. But if we want to find out the sum for each column, that means for each month for each product, then we have to do it many times, and this is a tedious task. In this video we can see how we can do all the auto sum all together after adding only one cell. So let's get started. At first we need to find out where we want to do the sum. So for example, here for January to December we need to find out the total sum of each month. So we have to select the cells where the sum will be there. So I'm going to click here, and then I have to select the cells where we want to find out the sum of each month. So I'm going to select this thing, and let's see how we can select the other table also. To calculate from other table also, what we need to do, at first we need to hold the control key, and then we have to select those cells. So I'm going to hold control key, and then I'm selecting the other cells where we want to find the total number of quantity of each month. Now our whole selection is completed successfully. Now we need to find out the total sum. So basically there is a button which it is called the auto sum. We just need to click over there, and then we'll see the magic. So I'm going to hit this auto sum button, and once we hit this auto sum button, we'll see all the cells has the total sum of each quantity of the product. So that's it guys. Here in this way we can easily calculate, or we can easily use formula for all non-adjacent cells altogether. Now let's see how we can find the median of all the cells here. Instead of sum, we can also calculate the median. To calculate median, at first we need to select all the cells where we want to find the median. I am going to select all the cells from the first table, and once we select first table, then we have to hold control key, and we have to find or check or select the other cells from the second table. And once we select our whole cells, then we are ready to apply for the median. Then we have to write the formula of median. To write a formula of median, we have to use equal sign, and then after that we have to type median function. So I'm going to type equal and then median. If we start typing m, and then if we wait for few seconds, it will show us all the method name which are starts with m, but our target is to calculate the median. And if we try to search from this list, we will find the median method is there. Once we selected the median method, now it's time to put the number of cells or range from where we can calculate the median. For this case, we are entering this cell data. So basically we need to select the cells where we want to find the data to find the median. So I just selected, and then I have to close the parenthesis. And once we close the parenthesis, now if we hit return key or enter key of our keyboard, then we will see the median method is applied for each of the cell. So I'm going to close this parenthesis and hit enter key, and here after hitting the enter key, we will see the result will be updated very shortly. I still didn't hit the enter key. Just check properly. Here once I hit the enter key, you will see all the data of these cells are updated, and these are the median of each cell. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily add formulas to multiple cells based on our own requirement. and these are non-adjacent cells. Thank you guys for watching the video.